Hello guys, my name is Charles Stanley from TS Tech Talk, and this week we are setting up our Instagram video series. Okay, today I will be showing you guys how to create Instagram posts, and by creating an Instagram post, it allows you to engage with your followers on Instagram properly. And if you want to get more direct feedback from your audience and to know how actually they are enjoying your video or how actually they are enjoying your content, it's a good way for you to create or for you to get closer to your audience. Apart from receiving messages and comments from them, you could actually know what they want, what they need, and what next, and also whatever they are expecting from you to do more. So you should know what you want to do more and what you want to reduce limits actually. So in this series I will be showing you guys how to create a pool in order for you to engage your audience and then allow your influencers to influence your videos and how they view them. Now let's go ahead and open our Instagram to do this. Okay, once your Instagram is open, the first place you will be able to create this is actually on your storyboard area. So if you don't already have a story, just go ahead and click on your icon on just below after the logo where it's written your story, and then you are definitely going to see other stories that is close to yours. So go ahead and click on your story and then allow it to load. It's going to load up, and click on type, just the first option at the left. So at the bottom left, click on type and then type anything you want. For instance, I'm going to say, what do you think? And then once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and say send. And then just look at the top right corner. You're going to see 4 icons there, but at the top right you see 3 different icons: a sticker, a pen, is it a pen? Should I call it a pen? Okay, it's actually a pen. And then the A letter is for writing. So we don't actually want to write anything, we want to create a post. So let's go ahead and select the sticker, the smiley sticker that is at the top right. It's actually the first option, so let's go ahead and click on it. Just in case, let me just draw it to be so that most people will actually understand what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this icon right here, the one I just drew. Don't mind my drawing, it's not that good. So now once you've done that, go ahead and click on it. So once you've done that, once you've clicked on it, go ahead and select post. Now let's type in the question I want to ask. So now let's say let's go ahead and delete this option and type okay. Once you're through, go ahead and push enter. Come on, go ahead and say done. So since we're done, let's bring this down, drag this to the top. Just hold and drag a little bit to the top. So once you're okay with the positioning, just go ahead and say send. Now let's send this. Now the next thing you should do is select the people you are sending it to. For instance, you want to put it on your story, go ahead and click on share. And then if you want to make it personal, go ahead and send it to either your friends or a group you belong to. So you could actually send this to as many people as you want. And once you're through, just say done, and the message will be done. Okay, that's it. Once you click on your story, you'll be able to see your question, and you should also notice that whenever anybody gives it a like, it will appear and then it's going to show below here whenever you are checking it. So once you're done, just go back, and then I'm going to show you guys something else. You should notice when you go to your profile area, you will see some highlights here. All these here are called highlights. So if it actually add it here, it's going to make it appear more visible to anybody that visits your profile. So let's go ahead and add it here so that it's going to be more interactive to many people that actually visit our profile. Now click on your story again. You may notice just right below where it's written highlight, so go ahead and select highlight. And then before I scroll back, I think someone actually seen it. Just look at it bottom left, you can notice that someone actually seen it, which is actually one person. So let's go ahead and select highlight. Once you select highlight, go ahead and say new highlight, and it's going to prompt you to add a name to the highlight. You can say let's call it a vote test. So now let's add, and then view your profile to confirm if it's already there. Okay, now you can notice it's there. When you click on it, you can easily see it there. And then let's go right back again, and then you could actually make different alternative in this. You could actually add it in different ways. Now, since you already have one profile, and you notice whenever you click on your profile, you see the previous one you have. So in order to add multiple profile on your stories, multiple votes on your stories, guys, go ahead and click and hold, and you notice add to your stories shows below, and then go ahead and click on add to your story, and you should be able to give another type of character. Let's go ahead and send it, and we could actually change the text to green, and let's say done. And now let's go ahead and click on the same icon again, select the pool, and now we are just going to leave this to yes and no. Now all we need to do is say give a sincere answer. So we could actually get a sincere answer from them, and we're going to leave this as a yes and a no question because we just want this to be direct. Now say down, scroll down, move this a little bit further, just click and hold to drag, and then click and hold also to drag it. So once you're done with it, just go ahead and send it, select where you're sending it. Now we're going to just add the highlights from here. So we're just going to say add new highlights and give the highlight a name. We are going to call this request, and we'll still send to the same set of people we actually sent to previously. So once we're done with this, if you still want to select more people, you could go ahead and select more people, because I actually noticed I have someone active. So let me send to them because they're actually my friend, and I want to show you guys how it works. Then once you're done, just go ahead and say done, and now it's going to be uploaded also like the previous one. So let me go ahead and confirm if someone actually already liked this or voted it. Let's click, and then since this one is seen by one person, let's see if the person actually voted. Seen by one vote, only one person voted. I didn't think this person voted. Okay, let's see, just one view and no problem. Let's just wait to see if we get more votes from this. Now let me go and scroll back. Let me pause and then come right back and see if someone actually. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check our performance and see how we've performed. So just go ahead and click on any of these and see it's been seen by 6 people. So go ahead and click on it to see how much we've gotten. Okay, if you notice just at the right top, 6 people have seen it. Just this area that shows a eye icon and then 6 just next to it, that means 6 people have seen it. And then if you check how many votes we've gotten like 2 votes, and then the 2 votes says Instagram and 0 for Facebook. And then when you scroll down, you see the names of people that have voted. Actually, I did one, and a friend of mine called Klabolang also did one also. And then you can see the people that have seen the post so far: Intrinsic, Klabolang, Chocho Juan, Pali, and then the rest of them. Okay, now let's go ahead and scroll right back and see how the other one has also performed. The yes and no question. Okay, we've seen like 5 different people seeing it. Let's click and see how it performed. Okay, only one person gave it an answer, which is a yes, and I think it's Klabolang. And then maybe the rest haven't done that, or maybe it hasn't updated yet. So let's probably when we wait after a while, we're going to see more votes on it, and then apart from that, if you actually have so many followers, you're going to see so many views. And since this morning and many people are not online, so it's not a bad thing we get a low view. All right. So hope this video helped you guys, and hopefully you'll be making use of this Instagram features and be doing more of it. All right, thanks for following, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if this video helped you. And you could also share my videos to get more videos. Leave your comments if you have a question or you have any request for a video, or you can also send me mail on my account. Okay, my name is Troy Stanley from TS Tech Talk.